How to temporarily deactivate WhatsApp without deleting. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can temporarily deactivate your WhatsApp without deleting. Now, the first thing you need to know is there is no any deactivate option on WhatsApp. So what you can do is either delete your account or delete the app. Now, if you don't want to do both, then I can guide you for few steps that you can do. Now, if you are receiving a lot of notifications or if you don't want to stay online on WhatsApp, what you can do is head over to your settings on your phone and go to wireless and networks and go to data uses. Now, once on data uses, go to network access and here you'll find the installed apps. Now, if you go here and search for WhatsApp, you can see WhatsApp on my screen right now. Now, if you toggle this off, you can see for both mobile data and Wi-Fi, then the internet connection or internet access won't be allowed to the app. What this does, it will make you offline even if your device is connected to the internet. So this way you can stay offline. Or next thing what you can do is head over to your phone settings again and go to apps, and on apps search for WhatsApp. Now once you search for WhatsApp, you can go to storage and clear your data. What this does is clears all of your data. It's as good as uninstalling the app without actually uninstalling it. So if you clear the data and whenever you want to relog in your account, you could just head into WhatsApp and log into your account again. So this way you can temporarily deactivate WhatsApp without deleting the app or the account. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.